you're recording?
Yeah.
Bro, look at this view. Wait, hold on a minute. What's the fuck? Our boat is that one there with the red top, right?
He's gonna make a runner with all of our camera equipment.
he's got everything. Right, keep in mind, guys, we actually haven't paid a single penny yet. We've got to go to an ATM after to pay the taxi driver, not even these people. And then he's sorting it all out. The trust that goes, right, we've had a boat trip to
We could
5
just leg it right now
islands.
on this island.
Yeah, we could. Our flight could be tonight, and then what they're going to do? It's not, and we are going to pay, obviously. My point is in the UK they'll do nothing unless you pay. And if you don't pay, then you don't get it. That's